And welcome back, YouTube. This is Booster Buster here with a very special pack opening. Today I have 6 Japanese Neo Genesis booster packs. I have to thank 2 YouTubers. I have to thank Selfless Ressurection for pointing me to this cool guy right here. I don't want to say his name incorrectly, so MewtwosKrai. Check out his YouTube channel. This is where I got it from. He was selling these and some other very cool sealed Japanese product, and I thought I'd pick some up. And once again, I have to thank Selfless Ressurection and MewtwosKrai for this. Alright. I'm hoping to get some very special cards here. I really want to save these packs because I've never bought Japanese Pokemon cards before, so not sure how I think the holo is the first card in the pack, so I'll put that face down there for now. Alright. Forgive me if I forget some of these Pokemon names, I won't remember all of them. We got a very cute Cleffa, Mareep, whoop, sorry about that. I don't remember the middle evolution. I know it involves an Ampharos. Good Rod? Super Rod, maybe? Manatee? Ah, come on. Cards are sticking together a little bit. Some sort of trainer card. Really adorable. I really like that art. Man. Oh, Totodile. That's just one card, right? Yep. And a very adorable, Magnemite. There we go, Magnemite. Couldn't remember the name. On this trainer card, along with a whole bunch of energy. And our rare card of the pack is going to be... Come on, please be... Oh, yes! That was the one I wanted the most. Hooray! Any doubles that I get will be for trade, but these are going to be a little bit tougher to get. Just because they're a lot harder to get nowadays. Alright, so the very first card of the pack is the holo. Let's see, I think it was Togekiss in this pack too. I'd like that. And then obviously the starter trio of all forms. Especially, I'd really like the, oh, crap. The fire one. I can't remember the name off the top of my head. Oh, we got a really adorable, looks like some sort of gym. The grass trim from Gen 2. I can't remember that. Oh, we got Cyndaquil. So adorable. Miltank. Oh, that thing was a pain in the Wendy's milk tank. Natu. Hoot Hoot. Quagsire, I think. Slowpoke. So funny. Ooh, is Slowking in this set? I think so. That'd be the one cool one to get. Manatee. And Xatu. And our holo is... Oh, and the cool thing about the old Japanese packs, every pack comes with a holo. Ooh, Metal Energy. Okay, that's not bad. Yeah, this was back when Metal and Dark Energies were considered rares in the packs, which was very annoying back in the day because it was considered a special energy, so you could only have up to 4 of it in your deck, which really made it hard to run Dark and Metal monsters back in the day until they made it regular. That was unexpected surprise at Metal Energy. Alright. Hoping to get... I'd like to... If it's in... Oh, Pichu's in the set too. That'd be kind of cool. We got Magby. Pretty cool. Pikachu. Always adorable. Lantern. Oh, so adorable. Chikorita and Mareep and Hoppip all listening to a jukebox. That's so adorable. Hoot Hoot. Oh, what was the professor's name? I don't remember off the top of my head, but he's holding Cyndaquil. Oh, this card was censored in the American version because that was thought to be too suggestive at the time. And a very adorable Meryl. And some sort of stadium. Oh, is that a Bellsprout Tower? That might be Bellsprout Tower. And our holo is... Ooh, a Skarmory. Okay, that's not too terrible. A metal monster. Metal Pokemon. I really like the old holos. Halfway through this pack opening, guys. What do you guys think of the old style packs of the Japanese cards? Well, if he still has some more, I might have to try to buy some more from this guy. I mean, these are just so nice. Oh, alright. I guess I'm gonna have to start collecting Japanese Pokemon cards now. Ooh, Donphan. Pretty cool. Century? I want to say? I might be wrong. Electabuzz. Pretty cool. Oh, that adorable trainer card again. Hoot Hoot. I think I pulled him in nearly every pack. The Cyndaquil and the Professor. The Ban card. I don't know the value of these cards. Stantler, oh wow, that's a blast from the past. A card that you never see today. Poor Stantler. He needs Mega Evolution to make him relevant again. And, oh, that's an arcade machine. Pretty cool. And our holo, what do you think it is, guys? Think it's Azumarill? Think it's, oh, what other ones were there? Togetisk? Can't remember the other ones off the top of my head. One of the starters? Ooh, maybe the fire starter. That'd be nice. Oh, another Metal Energy. Well, this is up for trade. All that build up for a Metal Energy. Hey, wait. Now I have the Metal Energy to play Skarmory. Alright. Better beware. Skarmory's gonna beat you down. Oh, come on, I'd like to get at least one of the starter holos. That'd be cool. Because I know that they were in this set. I know they were. If not... okay. I'd be very surprised if they were not in this set. Well, maybe a starter deck, but it seemed like it'd be in the set. Oh, we got a really nice, looks like almost like a reporter. Maybe a... Oh, Chikorita, finally! There we go. Trainer card, some sort of fossil. Oh, Totodile. I'd like to get their mid-form, too. Oh, Snubble? Snubble, maybe? Like I said, sorry if I do not remember their names. Oh, some sort of pineapple atom bomb? Not two. Hoot Hoot again. Hoot Hoot is definitely for trade, guys. Granbull? I think it was Snubble and Granbull, if I am remembering correctly. Okay, so what do you think it is this time? Think it's going to be another Metal Energy? I really hope not. My guess is Azumarill. Oh, Ampharos! That's not bad. Not bad at all. I will take an Azumarill. Or not Azumarill. Ampharos, sorry. Pretty cool. Those are all going in sleeves right after this video, so don't worry about that. Alright, so, you know what? I'm going to say right now, I'm guessing the final one is either going to be a duplicate or a Pichu. Twister of some sort. Oh, Golbat, pretty cool. Or no, Crobat, sorry, Crobat, not Golbat. Hey, that's Bill. Natu again. Anybody need a Hoot Hoot? Quagsire. Meryl. Stantler, the guy that nobody remembers. Ooh, a pretty cool looking, Seadra. Seadra? Horsey. Yeah, I think it's Seadra. I'm probably wrong on that. My guess is Pichu, guys. What's your guess? You got Togekiss, you got any of the cards that I pulled already. You got the 3 starters, final form. My guess is Pikachu, or Pichu. Ha, yeah, correct. I do not mind a Pichu. So adorable. Actually, this card was really sought after back in the day just because people wanted Pichu. Although the better one was Cleffa, definitely. Alright. Well, let's go through the hollows one last time. We got Pichu. We got Ampharos. We got a Metal Energy. Really like that. We got Skarmory. We got a second Metal Energy, which is up for trade. Japanese Metal Energy, if anybody wants one. From the first Neo Genesis set. And Lugia. The card I wanted most, I got first. Unfortunate that we didn't get any of the Chikoritas, Totodile, or Cyndaquil's final evolution, but hey, I'm not complaining, I got Lugia. Alright, this has been Booster Box Buster, opening up 6 Japanese Neo Genesis booster packs. Signing out.